Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 6 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to set up all the layout for the second floor. We added interior walls and then we added furniture and vanities and toilets and those kind of stuff. We added doors as well and the closet and the walk-in closet for this one. And here we're gonna continue working on this. Let's add in our curtain wall. So I'm gonna add a curtain wall right here. And then let's add it here as well. Also here. And then add one right here as well. And we're not gonna add anything here. We could add one right here so that we have one for the washroom. And then lastly, we could add it here. And we could add it here as well. We could add it on this side or this side depending on what you want. I'll just add it here. And I want to flip it so that it's from the inside. Now we need to click modify and cut geometry. So what you have to do is you need to pick the wall first and then the curtain wall. You could add it here as well. We have a little nook here and we could just add a table and a chair, a study table here and a chair. So let's add one right here and then make sure to use cut geometry. Now that it's done, we could also add a window right here. I think that will be beneficial so that there's natural light going inside. So let me add that quickly and flip it and then go and cut geometry. So now we need to go to our 3D and we need to clean this up a little. So here I'm just gonna pull this down and pull this up. And then here I want to pull this down again. So AL, I'm gonna copy this, and then this one I need to pull this one up like that because we will have a study table right here and we just want something here. For this one, let's pull this up more, and then we could go to south elevation to fix it. So this is our curtain wall. I'm gonna copy this, so I'm gonna align AL and then pull this down. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna align it, and then I'm gonna align it this one here and pull this down like so, and then move it like that. I want this kind of design here. I'm gonna maximize this to the end, like that. Oh, sorry. Let's not put it at the end. It's because I'm gonna put an extrusion here. So might as well just leave it something like that. So I'm gonna put that extrusion all the way here. So we could just keep it like this. This one, as you can see, we have a little space here. This will be a balcony. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this down. So I'm gonna copy the height of this. I'm gonna leave it all the way down, but this one we need to pull this up similar to this. So use AL and like that. That's enough room for or window for this area. This one, we're gonna copy the one at the top, and then here we just need to pull this up. So I'm just gonna estimate it around here. We could copy this actually, and then here as well. I'm gonna copy this one here, like so. And obviously we haven't added the floors yet, so that will be the next thing that we're gonna do. But before that, just want to double check what we did. We see I forgot to do this. So cut geometry right here. And let's copy this one. So AL. This is the ensuite washroom. So that will be enough for that. Okay, so now let's add in the floor. So here, go to architecture, floor, edit type. Let's delete this, or let's remove the preview. Click duplicate floor number 1. Edit type. Let's click on white. Let's use clad white again. And then change the thickness to 200. 400 is too much. And then here we need to use pick line. Let's go around this. So around the perimeter. and then use TR, trim and extend, and then click finish, and then don't attach. You can see that there's excess. We're gonna fix that, don't worry. Maybe we could just do this on a different one, because this is closet anyway, so we could basically just move it up like that. This one we're gonna pull it down, so don't worry about that. Plus we're going to add in something, an extrusion here, so we might just leave it like that and cover this up. And then here, obviously we need to extend, so I'm gonna edit the boundary, and then I'm going to AL, align. Let's align it here if we can. If not, go to level 2, and then we need to finish this first, and then let's add in an underlay, so that we could just see what's going on down, so that we could do an align properly. Edit boundary, and then here we could do an align, or instead of line, yeah, let's do an align instead. Let's do over here, click finish, don't attach, and let's look at it. So that's good. We have it fixed, and then here we're just gonna fix this. I think it's better if for me to go it all the way here. The reason for that is this will be covered anyway, and then this one I'm gonna pull this back. So here it is. Use TR, trim and extend, and then delete the extra. So for here, I want to TR, remove this, and actually I could extend it here, EL. I think there's gonna be an error here, or no. So that's good. And then we're gonna cover this up with extrusion anyway. Don't attach. And then let's look at it. So this will be covered, so don't worry about this. And this one we could just add in a floor again. So let's add a floor. So level 2, and then here let's click floor. We're gonna use the same floor, but just edit type, duplicate, floor number 2. It's basically the same thing, and then we're gonna add this one like so. From the inside, use TR, and before you do that, height offset, it should be -200 so that it's flush. Don't attach, and right here it's not -2, it's supposed to be 200, not negative. So now it's flush like that. So that's good. So now let's add in the roof. So go to level 2, remove the underlay so that we don't get confused. Always set to none now. And then after that, let's add in the roof. Duplicate this. This will be roof number 1. Edit type. This will be 200. And let's change this to clad white as well. Click OK and then OK. And choose pick line. Also the perimeter. But before that, undo that. You need to uncheck define slope. So this will be all perimeter. Okay, so now let's trim. And then click finish. And let's look at it. It became, so I just need to edit. I'm gonna edit footprint. I'm gonna base this to level 3. So that's the only step I forgot to do. And then again, edit footprint. But this one, we need to base offset -200 so that it goes down to be flat. And then we need to edit footprint so that we could go around here. So pick path, TR, trim and extend. And then let's see. So now it's good. We just need to select all of this. So hold on Control button and select this one. We don't want to see this. So click this and then click the roof again. As you can see, it's not visible anymore. We will need to do that again here. So that one we need to do. What we could do is we could select all of this and then hide. And then now we could select this. And then click this and then click the roof. We could also do it here. But before we do that, yeah, we could use this, do this as well. And as you can see, it doesn't show anymore. And then this one, we just need to pull this down. And we need to create an opening here. So with this one, we just need to put something here, or we could extend this one right here. Don't attach, and I will fix it. Okay, so now let's look at it and then select everything again and then unhide element. Click and you're good again. Double check if there's no unhide. Okay, so we're good. So the reveal hidden element is under here. So once you hide, you can reveal it afterwards. So now that we're good with this, we could just add something right here to go to level 2, and let's add a railing. We can use the pipe. Let's edit or duplicate this. This will be rail 1, and then let's change the baluster. So right now it looks like this. I don't want, I want square instead. And then here I want square. Apply, and then let's add. Click finish, and then let's look at it. We can actually change this more. Let's edit this and change more. Rail structure. We have 150. We could delete. So the railing 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one's the railing first. Let's delete this. And then let's delete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5. Apply, and then OK. So it looks like that only. I want to change the railing as well. So the one at the top, let's look for alternative. I don't want the circular. I want the square handrail. And then the material, I want it wood. Let's use ash. So that will look nice. We have black. So I'm gonna put black metal here. And then wood handrail. Okay, at least that's good enough. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.